It's a new 2019 BMW X3.
This X3 is versatile and nimble enough for the urban jungle and capable enough for your next road trip.
It comes with great features you'll love. External memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, driver memory seats, intercooled turbo i6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors.
Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seats, and abundant cargo space for its size.
BMW, sheer driving pleasure. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.